Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pack Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Welcome to the first episode of Mike's Crazy Classroom, answering a question I keep getting. What's the difference between double tops and two tops, or double bottoms and two bottoms? They're the same concept. We go over that. We're going to use Tesla because that's one people want to know why this wasn't a double bottom. I'm not going to take all these levels off the chart because it's the one I use for teaching all the time. Okay, but this is a weekly chart. Here is two bottoms. Some people say this is double bottom. If it gets above the peak, it's going up. Well, that could be true, but you can't use double bottom targets. We've tested this out extensively across many markets, many time frames. You can say if it gets above this peak, well, that's great. I'd be targeting the most recent highs, and then I'd use the harmonic projections we do. If you want to know about those, pretty much every video I cover has harmonic projections, and I'll probably do a crazy classroom on that too. But if I come down here and I use my extension tool, going from this bottom to this bottom, and I go to double targets, which are 50, 75, and 100%. You can see it here. Nothing's hidden here. 50, 75, and 1. And you do click down here, and then click. You don't do a retracement click, you just do a click and you do a projection from the peak. You can see here that all the levels, essentially this one meets it, but you want a profit level within the move. So this is the move that created the pattern. These double targets exceed the move that created the pattern. Therefore, it's not reversing that move. This is just a key swing high, and these are two lows. Okay? That's how that works. You want to check that it's reversing a move. A double bottom is a reversal pattern. A double top, you just flip this upside down, same thing. It's a reversal pattern. It has to reverse a move. Let me show you one. This is NASDAQ futures. It's one I talked about on the Pure Exposure media show I was on. I'm on every month pretty much. Let's take a look at that. This was on the daily. So I'll take off these so you can see it a little more clearly, and I'll put those back on. We have one bottom, two bottoms. It fits within our parameters. They don't have to be exact. If you expect double bottoms to be exact, they're not. We've tested out a wide range. They can be within a certain parameter set. Maybe sometime I'll go into that if you want to know before then. I actually have a course on it. So you have bottom, you go from here. Let me redo it. So we click on our extension tool, click. Why didn't it click up there? What the? Let me redo that. Click. What is it doing? Oh, it sometimes gets confused. What is going on here? What are you doing to me, TradingView? Where's the base? Alright, alright, I'm not going to go mess with it right now. For some reason, something's going crazy with TradingView. There we go. So it should be click. See here, I can show you. See, there's the first click. There's the second, and there's the third. So if I bring the second and the third, it's been acting weird today. I don't know what's going on, but that's how it goes. So this gives me the 50%. Again, if you want to look at the 50%, 75%, and 100%. So here's the move that started it. All the targets are within the move that started it. Doesn't matter that this is a little hitch. This is the move that started. If there's a huge flat area, it would make it lower probability. But if you notice something, this is really nice, comes up. This is the little hitch area, 50%. That's where we've stalled out. Now we could easily come back here and then rotate back up if the pattern is going to complete. But that's the difference. So this is the move it's reversing. These are the two bottoms. This is the peak. Close above the peak. Many times you get a retest, then you get the move up, and now it's pausing, and this is where you raise the stop. This would be raising stop and or taking partial profits. This is raising stop again, or just taking full profits at that point. All right, that's how it works for double bottoms versus two bottoms. It's the opposite for tops. All right. If this spike didn't come up, this would be a double. This would have been a double top. It turned into triple. But if it was hypothetically double, then you would have done click, 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 and that it would have been reversing these moves, and this would have been all within that move. Hope that helps everybody. I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.